Welcome to another video from Dr. Locke. First thing we're going to talk about is this key machine is the GL-320L. With a key machine like this, the instructions do come with it. They're in Chinese and English. It's worthwhile just reading them. Second thing about this machine is safety goggles don't come with the machine, but you do need to wear safety goggles at all times. Third thing is the paintbrush that is included. You can use any type of paintbrush. For safety, you don't use a vacuum cleaner because it puts the little bits of filings in the air, so you just use a paintbrush instead of a vacuum cleaner to clean it down. Once every 6 months or once every 2 or 3 months, it's worthwhile just giving it a little bit of a spray with some WD-40, stop any surfaces from rusting. You would spray and clean around your jaws, around your slide. You wouldn't need to spray or do anything with these two here. Just leave those two as they are, just give them a wipe down. Next thing is with the machine in the off position, you can apply power to it. These type of key machines come with a 12 volt cigarette lighter. Underneath here you will find a fuse. And there is a fuse built in there. It's most likely probably a 5 amp type fuse. I'll just read it to you. So it's a 15 amp fuse. It's probably a bit big. They're only small motors, but that's what the machine comes with. And that's all you need. So you can simply use a battery pack if you wish, your car cigarette lighter, and you'd simply plug that in like so. On the side of it you'll probably see a little LED light on the side. So we now know the machine has power. You can test it. Very quiet little machine. Now when buffing, I'll just use a couple of keys here just to quickly show you this as well. When you're ever working on a machine like this, you turn the power off. So let's hypothetically say you've just cut your key, gone backwards, forwards, it's a nice tidy key. Flick the cradle to the left, remove your key like so. Try not to remove it this way because your fingers will be closer to the cutter, and it's a better habit to get into to load from this side, remove from this side. So after you've finished cutting, you would now turn the machine off. From the left, remove it, turn the machine back on, and buff your key. Turn the machine off, and your key would be cut. So keep those things in mind just for safety tips on this particular machine. The other thing as well is if you're going to use it in a vehicle, it's worthwhile perhaps bolting it down. On the front it does come with a small screw thread there. You can have a little plate made, use a little bracket. You can also extend and go underneath the rubber mount and bolt it straight through the bench. There's another little one on the side there as well. You could possibly use that for bolting it down. It weighs about 6 kilos, and if you are using it in a mobile van for a mobile locksmith, you don't want it, in case of a crash, you don't want it flying anywhere, because a 6 or 7 kilo projectile could really do some damage. And that's a safety video on the GL-320. Thanks for watching.